Got it here, a new utility knife, kind of funky, but I love it. It's very unique. Reload utility knife, tough build. They make really unique stuff. So let's open it. Whenever you wanna load it in, just like that, boom. And you have right here a blade. Okay, whenever you take one out, you can pull it out, boom. But whenever you don't press it, you see it stays in there. So whenever the blade gets really dull, especially if you're cutting lots of shingles, you can easily pull it out, reset. How amazing is that? So pull it out, go back and get another one out. So quick reload. And the magazine, you see there's a button right here, boom. Wow, look at that. Whoa, you kind of want to catch it. That is cool. So you want to put the different blades in. Not really sure what this is for. Let me know in comments below what that for. But yeah, again, pull out the mug. You can just pull it out. Oh yeah, in case again the blade gets dull, you could just press it. I wonder if you could reload it while it's here by flipping it over, get the other edge. Wow, no way. I think you could. That is awesome. So quick release. Let's say it got dull, release it, flip it over, get the other edge in, and then use it. Once it's completely both sides are dull and broken, you just go back, push it back forward, you have another one. That is awesome. And just keep on going. I love it. Let's say we're gonna take them all out, see what happens. And if you're working a lot with that and it's all out, no big deal. It comes with the 2 magazines. Oh, you gotta push this back. Just release it, drop another mag in. And to reload them, check this out. Pull it forward to the side. And as you can see, this is the kind of like a spring bar over here. So you just first one, lock it in, slides in super easily, and you put 5 blades in. There's very many different type of blades I have learned recently. Okay, how this works. There you go. So I think the best thing to do is push over here. There you go. Just slide it in, give it a little help, lock it all in, and this will finish it off by pushing it here. Okay, quick reload again. That is so cool. Yeah, you'll definitely stand out with this kind of box cutter. I love it.